dear student, how are you? I hope everybody very good. I have taken a video for you today from a group. Our topic today is English assignment of class 9. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon because I will upload all class 9 assignment to my channel, so must subscribe my channel. Father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, is the architect of independent Bangladesh. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born in the village of the Tangipara under the then Gopalganj subdivision of the then Faridpur district on March 17, 1920. His father Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and his mother Sheikh Saida Khatun had 4 daughters and 2 sons. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was their 3rd child. His parents used to admiringly call him Khoka. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a founding member of the East Pakistan Muslim Students League, one of the founding joint secretaries of the East Pakistan Army Muslim League, General Secretary of the Army League, President of the Army League, President of the Bangladesh, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, President of Bangladesh. As an activist, he had been a supporter of the Sohrawardi Hossain function of the Muslim League. During the 1946 general elections, the Muslim League selected him for electioneering in Faridpur district. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the principal organizers behind the formation of the East Pakistan Muslim Students League. Sheikh Mujibur's active political career began with his election to one of the posts of Joint Secretaries of the East Pakistan Army Muslim League. As a political prisoner, he was then interned in Faridpur jail in 1953. Sheikh Mujib was elected General Secretary of the East Pakistan Army Muslim League, as a post that he held until 1966 when he became president of the party. Like his political mentor Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi, Mujib also underestimated the importance of party organization and management. To organize the party, he resignated from the cabinet of Ataur Rahman Khan and devoted himself to the task of taking the party to grassroots level. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman entered parliamentary politics first in 1954 through his election as a member of the East Bengal Legislative Assembly on the United Front ticket. He was also a member of the Pakistan Second Constituent Assembly cum Legislative Isla true. He recognized the Army League and put it on a firm foundation. In 1966, he announced his famous six-point program, calling it our Charter of Survival, which aimed at self-rules for East Pakistan. Disturbed by the political views of Sheikh Mujib, the Ayub regime put in behind bars a sedition case known as Agartala conspiracy case was brought against him. During this time on 7 March, Mujib made a historic address at a Mahatma gathering at the racecourse which marked a turning point in the history of the Bengali nation. At midnight of 25 March 1971, the Pakistan Army launched its brutal crackdown in Dhaka. Sheikh Mujib was arrested and kept confined at Dhaka cantonment until he was lifted to West Pakistan for facing trial for sedition and inciting insurrection. Although during the War of Liberation began in the wake of the 25 March Army crackdown, Bangabandhu had been a prisoner in the hands of Pakistan. He was made in absentia the president of the provisional government, called of the Mujibnagar government, formed on 10 April 1971 by the people's representatives to head the liberation war. He was also made of the supreme commander of the armed force. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman headed the first government of the post-liberation Bangladesh for a period of 3 years and a half. Starting from scratch, his government had to deal with the countless problems of a war-ravaged country, restoring law and order, rehabilitating the Muktijoddhas, restoring the reputed communication system, and most importantly, feeding the hungry millions and many other problems be delivered his administration. Because of his charismatic leadership, Bangladesh generated recognition from the international community, including the United Nations. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was assassinated by a group of disgruntled army officials on August 15, 1975, along with most of his family members, expecting for his two daughters who had been staying abroad at that time. Bangabandhu's eldest daughter Sheikh Hasina is the current Prime Minister of Bangladesh. So, thank you.